How to make a business website in Canva. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to make a website, not only a simple website but a business website into your Canva designs platform. So the process is going to be very easy and simple. Head over canva.com, sign in for an account, and as you can see we're going to be on the admin dashboard. Now, what I am going to do basically, we're going to head over this shoes or this, as you can see, item bar, select website. We can go ahead and create a design or a website from scratch, or we're going to have here website just like that to search among the templates. This is going to be a direct or straight to go process by clicking on website. Here we can go ahead and choose other as you can see, templates. So the business website is going to be a multiple page website. So I would rather go or start within a with a template than start from scratch, because maybe you're not going to have the colors matching up quick. Maybe you're going to have something going off. I don't know here. It is going to be a depending. So I would like to start with a template. So, and then we can go ahead and set up the others. For a template, I'm not going to use the whole template, but we can go ahead and exploit the colors, the other maybe pages that we have and everything. So I would like to have a business website. So we are going to have business website. Depending on the business that you have or you want to create, it's going to help you a lot. So if your business is going to be a clothing business, you can go ahead and have a clothing business. Type in clothing business right there, or clothing website. If you want to have a brand for a category or a specific category of website, it is going to be the case. Also, you are going to type in the type of business, and here you go. Now, as you can see, we have one of the websites that I'm going to choose. Basically, so let's choose maybe a brand or branding like this one. So we are going to store a um, specific maybe clothing or something like that, which is going to be a little bit of jewelry, something going on. In this one, I like this page, the as you can see here, the other pages, until I see this. Do not like it. I would like to delete all this page. This one is cool. This one is going to be a bit cool, but I would like to have it put like this. I'm going to put my brand, Jack's Jewelry. Something like that. And for the image, I would like to have another image. Jewelry like that. It is going to be written like this. So we're going to find a photo or a good photo here, which is going to go well with our design. So I would like to add this. That is better. So this is much better, I think. And with that, you can go ahead and set up the models. Now, as you know, Canva is not going to be a commercial website, which is going to have a whole, let's say, payment platform, payment gateway, but we can go ahead and have things such as, I don't know here, something like creating payment links. So I would like to have payment links. So I can go ahead and head over Stripe or create an account within Stripe. So if I click or create an account within Stripe or Square, like this one. Here we have Square Appointment. So I would like to sign in for our account here. A little disclaimer, guys. Everything you read in this video, such as email addresses, names, phone numbers, are going to be created only for the sake of video, not something else. So basically, we can go ahead and head over the payment. So I would like to have a payment link here. You can go ahead and have some payment links also on Stripe. You can create a payment link and set up something on it. For example, in our case, you can go ahead and copy and paste all the images that you have in your Canva website into these, and then you are going to select the item or create it. After that, you are going to set up the custom field for it, and then you are going to have it like that. So basically, you are going to upload the photo, put maybe the as you can see here, the price is 170, for example. Set up the name of the item like that, and put the photo. You're going to click on done. After that, you're going to save it, and you're going to have your link. You're going to have your link right here. I can go ahead and preview it just like that, and then we are going to where is it? Yellow. So this is going to be sharing the link, copying the link, head over here, or I can go ahead and have it on the image. So basically, I would like to add it here. I cannot, so I'm going to add a button. Buy now. I can go ahead and do that for all of the designs that I have here. And you can see that it is going to be the same. So the last one here is going to be the shapes. I'd like to have a shape, a specific shape here. Just like that. So you can go ahead and have it just like that. Backward, boom. Now the last part is going to head over link, paste your link, boom, and you're going to make a clickable link for each one of the elements is going to have a specific link, and this is going to be having a virtual checkout onto another website. That was pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you soon on the next one.